Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll tell you and show you how to connect two laptops by using this HDMI cable right here. You can do this on both Windows 10 and 11. Alright, so to begin you need the projection setting. So for that type in projection. So you're looking to click on the connect to a wireless display feature. And guys, as you can see from here we have the settings, scroll a bit down. And you're looking to connect to a wireless display, then press on connect. But before that, just like I've shown you, make sure to buy this HDMI cable right over here. So it should have HDMI on both ends, and just plug in your laptop with one side and to another laptop. Just connect them pretty much to the second laptop on the other side. And after that, you just press on connect in here. And as you can see, we're getting this little pop-up in our Windows settings. And in here, once you connect, you'll have your available display of your second laptop in here in this window. And from here, you're pretty much done, guys. You will get the same pop-up, just like, for example, if you were to connect to a Wi-Fi or wired network, you will get a name of your device. You just click on it, click connect, and both of your laptops will now be connected. So pretty straightforward, you don't need to do anything else. This is natively supported on Windows 11. So enjoy guys, hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and if you have any questions, ask them below in the comment section. See you soon.